Welcome to the Graphic Design and Interactive Media program at San Angelo ISD, where students learn how to design to communicate ideas visually. We focus on developing skills in creating graphics, animations, and special effects for a variety of industries, from advertising and film to web design and digital media. Students gain hands-on experience using industry-standard software to create everything from logos and promotional graphics to animations and special effects. They learn to think critically about design, understand visual storytelling, and create work that meets commercial needs.
So later in the year, I'm going to be able to get Photoshop certified and Illustrator certified. This will help with job applications to prove that I actually know how to use Photoshop and Illustrator.
Our students learn how to bring their creative ideas to life using professional tools and software, gaining skills that are crucial for careers in the digital age. Students in the program also have the chance to participate in Business Professionals of America, a national organization that gives them the opportunity to compete in categories like graphic design, animation, and digital media. BPA allows students to showcase their skills and gain recognition at the regional, state, and national levels.
BPA was a great experience. It really helped me understand how much work actually goes into for a 2-minute animation clip, and it ended up not being very good. So it really helped me learn, especially for this year for BPA.
The class really kind of centers around building 3D models for game development, for digital arts, for different kinds of virtual reality environments. We're doing a big focus on making sure that the programs that students are using are industry standard. So currently we have them using Blender for 3D models, Substance Painter for doing real-time textures, and then we're even using things like Adobe Premiere and Adobe Illustrator so they can learn real-time editing and graphical design and that kind of stuff.
Collaboration is key in this program. Students work together to solve design challenges and create projects that are visually compelling and technically proficient.
If I had to pick one thing I like most, it's probably the art. So it's really cool getting to see all the stuff that's happening specifically with 3D animation, especially since it continues to grow.
Explore the Graphic Design and Interactive Media program at San Angelo ISD, where students learn to turn creativity into a career with hands-on experience and industry certifications.